Good morning, students. Children, we discussed that disasters are man-made as well as natural. Natural disasters are like floods, droughts, earthquakes, cyclones, tornadoes, avalanche, blizzards, wildfires, tsunamis, etc. Man-made disasters can be major fire, maybe in the buildings or maybe in the trains. Different accidents, maybe train accidents or plane accidents. There can be other disasters too. Now children, there can be disasters like chemical explosion in the factories which are caused by, maybe accidental or negligence of human beings. Children, disasters, whatever it may be, whether it is natural or man-made, they bring destruction, they bring loss of life, loss of property, damage of property. We have studied about floods, droughts and earthquakes. Let us do a small exercise which is given in your social studies textbook, where you have to write true and false for the given statement. Children, it is checkpoint page number 82. Write true or false. The first one, floods do not occur in India. Is it true or false? Immediately you will say false, because almost every year we have floods in different parts of India. As we discussed that Assam, Bihar, parts of West Bengal, they are major earth-prone areas. Low-lying areas, they are caused, means there are flood every year because of the rivers overflowing during the monsoon season, or maybe glaciers and heavy snowfall. So in this way, floods are very common in India and it happens every year. So you cannot say floods do not occur in India. It is false. Coming to the second one, children, droughts occur when there is heavy rainfall. Now what is drought? Drought is when there is no rainfall or very, very less rainfall for years after year. And that is why everything dries up, because groundwater also, the level of groundwater also just dries up. There is no water anywhere, rivers dry up, other water bodies like ponds or streams, they also dry up, and there is everywhere, there is scarcity of water. Farmers do not get water for irrigation, people do not have proper amount of water for their domestic use. So that is drought. So this is absolutely incorrect. Droughts occur when there is heavy rainfall. No, when there is heavy rainfall, floods occur. So this is also false. And the last one, there are frequent earthquakes in the Himalayan region. Yes, it is an earth-prone zone. As we discussed, the Pacific region is also earth-prone zone. As we discussed that our whole earth is divided into different tectonic plates, and those plates are those where the rocks meet each other. These are called fault lines, where these are earthquake prone zones where major earthquakes occur. As you know, earthquakes are frequent in the Himalayan region, sometimes maybe in Nepal, in India, in Uttarakhand region, or Jammu and Kashmir, or the northern part of India, maybe China, all these regions, isn't it? So earthquake is frequent in Himalayan region, is true. So, write true and false. Floods do not occur in India, false. Droughts occur when there is heavy rainfall, also false. And there are frequent earthquakes in the Himalayan region, true. Please do it in your textbook. Thank you.